Hey guys, Shelly's J.A. Bickle. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Seasoning blends are on the way. Today I'm making a Chinese dish. Sweet and sour chicken and some lo mein. Whatever you have in your fridge, grab them. I was missing some snap peas, but I used some green beans instead. Steam some cabbage, callaloo, because that's what I had, with carrots and my green beans. Lots of bell pepper, garlic, a little ginger because that's my business. White onion, purple onion. Steam veggies. Once they were steamed, I love my veggies like really crunchy. Once my beans were cooked, I used oyster sauce, sesame seed oil, and a little hoisin sauce. Feel free to add sugar or honey to yours, but the hoisin sauce already has a sweet, tangy taste to it. Feel free to use soy sauce. I did not use soy sauce. So what that does is makes the veggies and the noodles a little darker. For the sauce, I used oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, sesame oil. Feel free to add sugar or honey to yours. Stir everything in to my veggies and I left on low heat for 10 minutes. Ginger, I love ginger in lo mein. I have lots of videos on my channel, especially YouTube, with how I've done lo mein. I've tried it many different ways. This is better than the one that you get outdoors. Sweet and sour chicken. I have a million videos on YouTube on how I make my own sweet and sour chicken. There's the little chicken, and let me tell you something. This is not the traditional Jamaican dinner. As a Jamaican, I experiment on other cultural dishes once I'm able to grab the spices and whatever they use to make their dish. So this is a Chinese meal today. Yes, I am Chinese today. Lo mein with cabbage, carrots, green beans, a little spinach in it, and some sweet and sour chicken. And I can tell you, just by looking at this was really, really tasty. It was so delicious. I did not miss rice and peas. I did not miss rice. I did not miss bulgur. I did not miss hardball food. Just a little light dinner. Don't forget, follow, share, drop a comment. Seasoning blends will be coming soon. Support your girl. That's all I'm asking. And if you can't purchase one when they're out, feel free to share me. It's just a fingertip away. Dinner is served. I did not even need any raw veggies today. This is sufficient greens for me to intake in a day. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow me if you haven't started following me. And there goes dinner. I look like I'm working in a 5-star restaurant, right? It's the plating for me. And let me tell you something, this tasted really, really good. I can drop the ingredients from start to finish. If you need them in the description box, let me know. Try something different and get out of your comfort zone. Experiment. Cooking is an experiment. Don't follow the Jamaicans them about cooking. I saw them granny cook it. I know them granny invent it. Bye.